How are we all doing, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Ps4 Life and Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be doing a video on why Xbox One is better than PS4. So I originally did a why PS4 is better than Xbox One video. Got a lot of hate, and I told you guys I was going to make an updated version on why Xbox is better than PS4. Before you guys smash the dislike button and get triggered and everything, remember, this is not my personal opinion. I have my own personal opinions about Xbox versus PS4, but this is going to be a strictly objective video, not subjective, meaning not my opinion. This is going to be all objective stats and facts when it comes to Xbox One and PS4. This by no means has any bias in it. I'm just going to be listing the reasons why Xbox could be considered better than PS4, and I'm going to be explaining each reason why. In the background, we have some Apex Legends gameplay. We go on to almost win. You'll have to watch till the end to see how that all turns out, because the ending is kind of insane. I tried doing a Fortnite upload, but I couldn't take recording that and couldn't get any good gameplay because that game is trash right now. So I switched over to Apex Legends, and now let's hop into the reasons why Xbox One is better than PS4. Okay, coming at the number one or first reason on my list of why Xbox One is better than PS4 is the Xbox One X, the most recent version of the Xbox One that came out either a year or two ago. It was the brand new edition. This was supposed to be the most powerful console ever, and it lives up to that name, and I'm going to be explaining to you why. Number one is because you can play some titles on Xbox One X in native 4K on your brand new 4K TV. If you guys don't know how significant that is, it's like literally impossible to play native 4K games on consoles and in a lot of PCs these days. Most consoles cannot support that kind of power, and the Xbox One can. Xbox One X also comes with a 4K Blu-ray player if you want to stream some 4K Blu-ray DVDs on there as well, so that's awesome. And the overall Xbox One X is so powerful. You can go read a list of specs. I'm not going to sit here and list all of them, but Xbox One X is the most powerful console. I think it's like 7 teraflops of power. Rivals a lot of PCs in just raw GPU performance and graphical performance. So now let's move on to number two. Okay, so in my previous video I said PS4 had better exclusives. But this actually is a really important thing on Xbox One, is that it holds the exclusivity of Forza, Halo, and Gears of War. Now, PS4 has better exclusives and a lot more exclusives. However, these titles are really solid, and that's why I'm putting it on this list, is you simply can't play these titles on PS4, and these are some of the most popular games out there. Forza, I think it's the number one most popular racing game right now. Halo, you can't even argue with that. Halo has been an amazing series throughout the years. Halo 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Probably coming out with the Halo 6. And Gears of War, awesome series as well. It's sad you can't play that on PS4, but that's also a reason why Xbox One is better. Okay, so the next reason on this list is a design perspective, and that's the Xbox One has a really solid controller. Now, the PS4 controller is the best addition of PlayStation controllers throughout the years. It was the best one made so far. But however, I've used both, and a lot of people agree with this. The Xbox One controller is near perfect in design, ergonomics, feel in the hand, button layout. I've been using it for a long time. I can say without a doubt Xbox One controller is the best controller I've ever used. It's a huge upgrade over the Xbox 360 controller, which was my favorite controller originally, and a lot of people agree with me on that. Xbox One controller is fantastic. And in addition to this, you can also upgrade to the Elite controller for Xbox One. They offer that. Microsoft made an Elite controller, which you can customize the layout of the controller a lot more. It has paddles, grippy textures on the controller as well. And that's just one thing that PlayStation doesn't offer. And I think when it comes to gaming experience, the controller is really important, and I think Xbox has Sony beat on this one. Okay, so kind of like a small thing here is just that Xbox Live is kind of considered better than PlayStation Network or PSN. And the reason behind this is just Xbox Live has been proven over the years to be more secure, more stable, and just has a better track record when it comes to online play. I mean, you do have to pay for both. I understand that. However, when it comes to just Xbox Live in general, it has been really stable over the years, and I got to give it to Microsoft when it comes to their online gameplay and stuff like that. Online connections are usually better for the most part on Xbox. Okay, so this is a huge reason right here, and it's Xbox One backwards compatibility, and PS4 offers backwards compatibility. Don't get me wrong, but the thing is, Xbox One's backwards compatibility absolutely destroys PS4 because the amount of titles that are backwards compatible on Xbox One, like I'm talking Xbox 360, Xbox One, you can play your 360 games on your Xbox One. It's insane. I've used it personally. I'm a huge fan of like playing my 360 games on my Xbox One, especially like Black Ops 2. Huge fan of that game, and it was amazing being able to take that disc, just pop it in my Xbox One, and play it. All it took was a software update from Microsoft. I didn't have to go out and buy the newest Xbox One edition. I have the old one. But yeah, if you look up the line of games that are backwards compatible, they're always coming out with new ones, always updating it, and PS4 is lagging behind in this aspect. Okay, so another huge reason why Xbox One is better than PS4 is Xbox One Game Pass. This is Microsoft's sort of like Netflix subscription, just with video games. So right now, there's over 100 titles you can simply play just by subscribing. The monthly fee is $9.99, which is really inexpensive. That's actually crazy. But you can get the first month for only $1 over Black Friday week, which is awesome. So it's got like games like Halo 5, Ninja Gaiden Black. I don't really know what that is. But you can also try older sport titles or just like catch up on games you missed and stuff like that. You can go check out the library, just like find it on Xbox website. But it's awesome that you can go and use this service. And another reason why this is great is because you're not only streaming the games, which like requires an internet connection, and streaming obviously is not going to be as good as just having the game downloaded. You can download these games onto your Xbox, so there's no lag, nothing to do with ping or anything like that. You don't have to rely on your network for playing the game. It's just all installed, all downloaded on your Xbox, and you can just go from there, try out whatever game you want, and yeah, it's great. Okay, so the last reason on this list is somewhat subjective, but it really comes down to the person buying the console. But a lot of people agree that the Xbox One is better looking, like just aesthetically, than the PS4. I'm not talking about like the old Xbox One, like the original, I will say is like really chunky and too big, but like the updated version of the Xbox One S and Xbox One X is really solid. It's really compact. There's no giant power brick like on the original Xbox One like I have. It's built into the console. And I think I really like the small rectangular shape, and a lot of people agree with me on that. I know this sounds somewhat subjective, but trust me, a lot of people actually believe that. And just looking at my Xbox One now, this looks way more like dated than the Xbox One X right now. The Xbox One X and Xbox One X, that's a mouthful, is really compact, slim, and it's easy to store when like actually using it on your TV shelf or something like that. And yeah, gets the job done as a console. It's really tiny yet really powerful. And just like a side note, this is just kind of like a current thing I've noticed when like looking up on Amazon, because I always research this stuff trying to find you guys best deal. Go check out my playlist Prime Tech if you guys want to see some great Amazon tech deals. I have new videos coming out soon about that. But yeah, I've been checking Xbox and PS4 prices just to see like what deals there are, and it seems for the most part it's like Xbox One is just like really discounted these days. I know when it first came out, the Xbox One was way more expensive than PS4 by $100 or so, but now I'm seeing Xboxes go for really close to $200, especially on Black Friday. Like they can go under $200. I've seen one for like $189 with a bundle on Black Friday or Christmas time around there. But yeah, like I've seen ones for like $214, $230 around there, and then I'm seeing PS4s for like around 300 bucks, which is kind of crazy. I'm shocked they haven't dropped in price. They're definitely more expensive than Xbox Ones right now. You can get an Xbox One S really cheap, a little over 200 bucks, and most of them come with a bundle, like it has a game included with it, mostly like Fortnite edition, even though Fortnite's free, which is pretty dumb. Minecraft edition, NBA 2K19 edition. Pretty sure there's Halo. When I got my Xbox One, I got the Assassin's Creed, but never played that game. Basically all Xbox Ones come with some kind of bundle. So I recommend if you guys are looking for a console right now, I'd get an Xbox One on Amazon just because they are a really good deal right now. And if you wait till Black Friday, you'll get an insane deal on it as well. So that's going to be it for the video, guys. I'll let the gameplay continue to play in the background. Just there won't be any audio if you guys want to see the end. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't destroy the dislike button on this. Remember, this was purely objective except for that last one. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys watching this video, understanding the series. I do this series not because I want to get people mad. I do this series just so people can see the pros and cons of making console decisions, because I know this is a very heated topic and I got a lot of hate on my last video when doing this. But guys, just respect the facts and statistics related to these consoles, and just see why one is better than the other, because it usually never comes down to just black and white which one's better. Both have pros and cons. Both are better in some aspects than the other, and you have to respect that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe, hit that notification bell, do that good stuff. I got my merchandise linked down below if you guys want to go cop some Life Made Easy merch over on Teespring. Got some nice stuff over there. If you want to go subscribe to my gaming channel, Gaming Made Easy, you can do that as well. Been live streaming over there. Probably upload the video later today on that too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Amazon links below if you guys want to go buy an Xbox One. Just use my affiliate code down below. And yeah, see you guys in the next upcoming video, and enjoy the rest of the gameplay.